All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I wanted to share something with you that I purchased. I'll leave a link down below where you can shop Satechi. I've been buying a lot of stuff from them over the years, and they have some pretty solid products. So I was looking for something that I could use as a, because I don't like to use cases most of the time. So I got this one right here. This is their magnetic kickstand wallet. And it is MagSafe, obviously, because you have to attach it to the phone itself. So I've been using this for about 48 hours or so, maybe 24 hours of the recording this video, and it's pretty nice. It's the magnet on it is strong, but not as strong as I would like. When you compare products with MagSafe, some of them are really strong and some of them are not. And this one is really good though. It's strong enough to where it won't fall off or anything like that when you have it in your hand or your pocket or anything like that. It's just a matter of the preference. I like it a little bit more tight feeling on there, snug on there, because I didn't want to buy the Apple one, but I might just grab the Apple one just to compare the difference and see how strong it is in comparison. I know the Apple one will probably be a lot stronger. For those that use the Apple version of a magnetic wallet, let me know what you think about the magnet for MagSafe on there. But this goes on fairly easy. It came in this just regular packaging, and you can see the MagSafe symbol on the back right there. And then I've got a little bit of cash in here, and I've got my ID and a debit card and my Tesla key in here, you can see. But one thing I will say is this is very strong on the hinge. So once you get it onto the device, it is very strong, like really strong. So you can also have it in this orientation as well. As you can see here, they're demonstrating that on this part of the box right here. It works really good when connected. It's just like moving it around and stuff like that. It just feels not as tight to the phone, like it's a little more loose than I want. But overall, as a kickstand, this thing is great, man. And the wallet portion works too. It's very strong, a very strong hinge on here. You can see the Satechi logo right there. They have like 4 or 5 different colors. I got blue, but nonetheless, this is a really nice wallet to have. Because I have a regular leather wallet, and I was like, man, I'm going to run around this weekend, and I just have some cash just kind of tucked away in here, and I've been taking this in and out of my pocket. It's been no issues whatsoever. It's really good, and I wanted to share it with you. I buy a lot of things, and I don't share all of them, but this was one that I thought I would share. This obviously will work with all the iPhones that have the MagSafe compatibility. The wallet itself feels very premium. It feels like a nice leather wallet. I don't know if it's real leather or not. It could be the faux leather. I don't know, but it's run you about 39 bucks is what I got it for. And I just wanted to have something that was genuinely nice and compact, even if I wasn't going to carry my iPhone. This is pretty sweet, but obviously this is made for the iPhone. So it goes on nice and simple like that. I think it's a really good look. And I think it's probably, I don't know that it's worth 40 bucks. I paid the 40 bucks for it, but you might say, no, I'm just going to go with the Apple version. But I just find that buying a lot of stuff from the Apple is somewhat limited sometimes. And plus I like that I can flip this over and have it into a kickstand with watching a show or something like this. That is really sweet. So I just threw the cash in there just because I was running around. I was like, if I go somewhere that I don't want to give my card to, have a little bit of cash, but just having it on there is snug enough to where it'll stay in place. It has not fallen off. In my pocket though, it has moved around a little bit like this, but when I pull it out, the phone out, it's good to go. So just a quick video for you guys, and I wanted to share something that I bought about a week ago. And get your thoughts on it. What do you think about this kickstand type wallet? I mean, I gotta tell you, the hinge on here is very strong, man. It is very, very strong, and I was surprised at that. I was like, wow, I really like how strong that hinge is, and when it snaps together like that, it's together. So yeah, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you would pick this up. If you wouldn't pick this up, hit the link below, and you can find some more Satechi things. They have a bunch of things for not just iPhones, just products in general. Keyboards, I've bought a lot of keyboards from them. I bought when I had a Mac Mini, I bought the docking station from them. I just purchased a lot of stuff from them. So it's your man Joe. If you guys enjoyed, links down below if you decide to grab one of these. They do have brown, black, blue, and another color. It's like a mustard color. But I'll see you in the next video. Take care.